In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Thinkorswim on iPhone and iPad. If you want to install Thinkorswim on your Apple device, the process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Once the App Store is open, tap the search bar and type in Thinkorswim. This will bring up the available results, and from there, you'll want to find the official app listing. Make sure you select the app called Thinkorswim Trade. Invest, and check that it's published by the Charles Schwab Corporation. This is an important step because you want to be sure you're downloading the correct official app and not a similarly named result. After you found the right app, tap Get to begin the download. Depending on your device settings, you may need to confirm the installation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Then just give it a moment to download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you prefer, you can also open the official App Store listing directly if you already have the link available, but searching in the App Store works perfectly well for most people. Before moving on, it's also worth making sure your device meets the app requirements. For iPhone, you'll need iOS 16.0 or later. For iPad, you'll need iPadOS 16.0 or later. If the app doesn't appear or won't install, checking your software version is a good first troubleshooting step. After the app opens, sign in using your Charles Schwab login credentials. Be sure to enter your information carefully so you can access your account without issues. If you don't already have an account, you can choose the Open an Account option directly from the login screen and follow the prompts from there. Once you're inside the app, you may also have access to paper money, which is the platform's paper trading feature. This lets you practice trading with virtual funds instead of real money, which can be very helpful if you're still learning the platform or testing strategies before placing live trades. And that's all it takes to download Thinkorswim on an iPhone or iPad. As long as you install the official app, confirm your device is up to date, and sign in with the correct account, you should be ready to start using the platform in just a few minutes.